Good morning, Racks. Today is Thursday, March 26th, which makes today National Make Your Own Holiday Day. Whatever you want it to be, works for me. Make it National Elephant Day. Or just whatever.
Whatever.
Exactly. Three big things. Did you know social distancing is actually working? They put a thing out yesterday, said Monroe County gets an A on our report card so far for our distancing. Look at how much it has gone down over the last week into an acceptable area, but it still could get better. It's important to remember, though, as we are socially distancing, check in on your friends, but that does not mean you need to go visit them. Likewise, as much as we want to play basketball, this is not the time to do it. The only safe sport to play right now is probably golf. Stay 6 feet away from other people, and we'll be better off for it. It's a nice day today. We're going to want to get outside, but don't push it. Here on March 26th, I realize we have not done much with Women's History Month. Did you know who Belva Lockwood is? She is actually the first woman to actually run for U.S. president, 1884, 1888. Ran against Grover Cleveland and Benjamin Harrison, obviously both unsuccessful. But she was from right down the road in Royalton over by Niagara Falls in Niagara County. So that's about all I got for today. Kind of a slow day when it comes to birthdays. The best I could do, Jay Sean. All right, that's about all. Yeah, there are not a lot of great birthdays to mention. If you want to look up and find a better one, not sure you will, because a lot of them just not good. Hey, keep working on your stuff. Have a great day, Rex, on Make Your Own Holiday Day.